I would like to make the following 0 hours mention. Fear and anxiety in the mind of farmers of Bicholim, Bardej and Penim due to Tilari Canal bridge resulting the damage to field and interruption of water flow as well as interruption of water supply to Asnora and Chandel water treatment plant. The step the government intend to take in this matter.
Minister, Honourable Minister.
Speaker.
I had gone to that place yesterday on this site. So it is a very serious question. Please look at the let the water start after 4 to 5 days.
Speaker, sir. I have taken note, but तुम्ही सांगता ते भाशेन this is very serious issue for the water, drinking water as well as for agriculture. Speaker, sir, bridge jatri tabortob आमी we have sent our team of engineers in consultation with the engineers from Maharashtra. आता कितें जाता Speaker, sir, luckily आमकडे in this month of आमकडे alternate sources आहा. So immediately we have decided to tap the water from the alternate source like Nalla आसा आमचे आनी आमटाणी डॅमांतल्यान आमी चांदेलाक आनी अस्नोरा दितले. So एका time लागतलो repair करपाक. But we are confident that we can augment the water from alternate sources, not to disturb the agricultural activities as well as water supply for drinking purpose.